whipping whirl, make him trade. Sugar to the left and sugar to the right.
Wait, okay.
Oh! Oh! Oh, we're going around. Oh no, here we go.
Okay.
Oh! That was a nice one.
Watch out, which one?
Here you go. Oh, it's done. It's a fun ride. And that song.
We just got off of Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, which, as you saw from the video, is a classic whip ride. You know, they have them everywhere, but the theming of these things is so great. And,
The theme song that goes along with it's
yeah,
really well.
it's ridiculous, but it's so much fun, and I'm sure you heard me laughing maniacally. So
Yeah, and luckily we only had to wait 5 minutes, so it wasn't bad.
there's no covering up the fun that is that flat ride.
Yeah,
If you're here and it's not more than like 10 or 15 minutes, I
It's
would
worth it,
definitely say ride it. It's a lot of fun.